if your partner disturb your sleep and you feel very irritable in the morning, what you should do, how you should bring it up?
So bring it up very kindly. Assume that the other person does not know about it. So bring it up subjectively, speak for yourself. Last night I had a very disturbed sleep, and it was because I couldn't deal with your snoring, or I couldn't deal with your whatever, sleep apnea. And so tonight, maybe I won't be sleeping with you, or if this starts again, I will, leave the bed. So again, to bring it up in a way that's kind, but also takes care of yourself, that you will sleep someplace else if this is too disturbing.